couple of weeks since I've made a video. It's Christmas! Yay! Well, it's almost Christmas. It's about the 10th of December. But I've got no idea when I'll be able to put this video out, so it might as well be Christmas. It's time to harvest the Christmas potatoes. And I just thought I'd make it a wee bit festive. I've got my jumper on, got my hat on, got the tree up. Do I feel silly? Yes. Do I care? No. We're going to get these tatties tipped out today. And as always, I can't remember how many, when I planted them, what they are. Pretty sure they're white potatoes. They were just supermarket ones that started sprouting. They must have been put in here around middle of July because that was when the greenhouse was finished. So they are completely died back. I haven't had any sneaky peeks, nothing. I've just left them to it. They've been watered consistently and they got seaweed feed and now and again they got a tomato feed. So I hope it's as exciting as my last potato reveal. If you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link in the description. Please check it out. It's a lot of fun. Right, I'm going to cut these off and tip it out and we'll see what we've got. If I can get my secateurs to work. Right, off ski. Oh, these are well rotted, aren't they? Oh wait, I forgot. There's one thing you have to do. Oh, I can't believe I forgot. There's one thing you have to do at Christmas before you reveal the potatoes. There's one thing. What the hell was I thinking? And I'm a bit disappointed it doesn't have a cork, so I might dub in some cork noises. There we go. Pop that there, don't fall over. Put that back on. Happy Christmas! Right, that's better. Ooh, that's tasty. Right, off with the potatoes. Are we ready? Sit. Oh, at least I'm done. Right. Oh wait, you can't see. Oh my god. Oh. It's so heavy. Oh! Oh! Oh, look at all the worms. Oh, look at the potatoes. Right, oh, I'm going to get this jumper filthy, haven't I? Oh, never mind. Mr. Worm. Oh dear. Oh, oh, wow. Oh, look. Oh my goodness. Wowzers. Well, roast potatoes will be on the plate this Christmas. Look at the worms. Oh, it's just fantastic. Right. Got some little ones, but they'll be fine for these salads. Oh, look, there's more here. Oh my goodness, there's lots. Oh, I'm so happy. Ah. Oh, more. Oh, they're nice and healthy looking too. Oh, they look fabulous. There's more here. There's enough here to see me right through into New Year as well. New Year potatoes. I'll be sure to properly go through it this time, so I don't throw good potatoes in the composter like I did the last time. Oh, the soil's cold. Potatoes. Oh, I'm so pleased. Squishy ones, original ones. Yes, that'll be the 3. So it was 3. 1, 2, 3 potatoes that I started with. Oh, there's some more. Another one. think that might be it. I think that might be my lot. Oh, they're all going to get roasted up. Going to be tasty. I think that's us. Right then. Come in. Absolutely fabulous. I'm so pleased. Solid wee healthy potatoes. How wonderful. Brilliant. I doubt very much whether I will have another video out before Christmas, so I wish you all the very best and all the very best for 2024. Have a good one. Bye!